Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Understand angel dressed in velvet. I tried to speak, but couldn't make a sound. The sun reflecting in her eyes as I was standing hypnotized. Her laughter when she turned around knocked me over to the ground. Medic went down Mars, got a serious injury. It's ripped to pieces in my chest. Oh, medic, what can you do? This is some serious witchery. She's my only antidote. Oh. I've searched everywhere to find her. Searched everywhere. Is she a dream or in reality? I'm not the man I once was. I'm drifting.
I'm not too sure how I'm supposed to follow after all of those speeches, but I'll give it a go. On behalf of my wife and I'd like to thank you for all your hard work and preparation that you put into our wedding. And if it were left to me, we'd all know how we'd be celebrating around a barbecue on the beach. For those of you who may not know, Jaime and I met down the islands as my story's been told. So in true Stefan fashion, I dove into the sea, and an hour later we were all eating sashimi. After that day and night, we didn't take each other's numbers because, of course, I went fishing at 3 a.m. in the morning. But the world works in mysterious ways, and a week later, fate would have it, I opened the door on her in the gym, and well, the rest is history. So here we are today. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you, raise kids, have a family, and to many more adventures. To my beautiful wife, can we all raise a glass